Hello everyone, good morning. A GST bonanza. The government is what has branded itself, slashing rates across a wide basket of goods. On the surface, it looks like a government has given a huge boost or a gift to consumers. Prices drops, wallet breathes easier, and there's a little more excitement in the marketplace. But the bigger question is, will this really change consumer behavior, or we are still in a wait and watch mode? You see, in the short term, consumers may celebrate lower GST rates. The demand will surge. Everyday essentials and even discretionary products have will obviously get cheaper because the rates have been sliced down to what the eventually rates were earlier. That can obviously boost demand temporarily, but creating a positive buzz in retail um, is what we as an investors need to look out for. And obviously there will be a little buzz on the retail sectors as well. Obviously consumption will grow, but what matters is at the end of the day, in the long run, earnings have to catch up. Businesses too might benefit obviously from a small surge in sales volume as well. But here's the contradiction: while the government gives relief on one side, it also needs to keep its revenue engine running. Lower GST collections, could squeeze tax inflows in the short term. The hope, of course, is that higher consumptions offset these gaps is what government is aiming for, and that obviously what the investors might be looking here as well. And obviously the you know the retail consumers as well, or the public, I must say. But that depends completely on whether people actually spend more or continue to hold back because of stagnant income, uncertainties, tariff news, inflation worries, etc. For businesses, the cut means they need to recalibrate pricing. And I was obviously looking at one of the interviews of one of the leading auto sectors in India, and he was even saying the same thing, that we need to watch out for you know recalibrating the price, and uh, we have to maintain our inventory with new tax rates and adjust margins as well. For consumers, the real impact depends on tax cuts and more on income growth. After all, GST cuts can stretch so far that what really drives at the end of the day is just earnings. So yes, GST bonanza gift for short term is good, great, brilliant, but at the end of the day, in long term, what matters is how companies execute it and increase its earnings. Thank you.